Hey guys, this is my 3D shaped kidney model. Anatomically, the kidney is a bean-shaped organ and lies in the posterior abdominal wall and is a peritoneal organ. Before I getting started, the anatomy and the structure and the functions of the kidney, I would like to describe the material I use. First, I use a plastic wrap to represent the renal capsule around the kidney, and then I use a big purple plastic pieces to represent the kidney, and mostly the renal medulla and the outer layer of the renal cortex. But I don't know exactly what the material is because I just only grab it from my little daughter twice. And then I use the yellow popsicle cap to represent the renal pelvis, and then I use the red and the blue plastic straw to represent the renal artery and the renal vein. Finally, to represent the renal calyces and ureters, I I get it the yellow color pipe from my little daughter twice stethoscope. Sorry, I forgot to describe the renal medulla. It is a big dam with the blue stripes. Is the renal medulla. And then I would like to present about the renal blood flow and the urine formation. So as we all know, the blood from the heart is passed through the abdominal aorta and then enters the renal artery, and then in the kidney the exchange of materials happens, and then the blood flow is coming back through the renal vein and then to the inferior vena cava and then to the heart. So pertaining to the renal urine formation, the urine is found in the renal medulla and the renal cortex and the medulla, and then enters into the renal pelvis, exits the renal pelvis through the renal calyces, and then enter into the ureter, finally to the left reservoir of we call the urinary bladder. Finally, I would like to describe about the basic functional structures of the kidney called nephron, because even though I cannot demonstrate in very details about the nephron, but I would like to present about it because it is a very basic functional unit. It has three main functions: is the filtration and tubular reabsorption and the tubular secretion. It filters all the material except the blood cells and the most protein. Secondly, it reabsorbs water and the solute from the filtrate, and finally, it secretes all the toxic byproducts of the metabolisms and the molecules necessary from our body. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much.